Okay, so boom, we start off with the Versagel. We gonna add 3 drops of pink. I always start off with 3 just to see how I like it. So we gonna mix that thing. Then we gonna try it on swatch. Okay, swatch. Then we need to add a little bit of some. That wasn't it. So now we found the brown. Okay, we got the brown. We're gonna drop in 1 drop of brown. We start off with 1 drop to see how brown it's gonna turn. Okay, we not trying to make brown. So we gonna mix that. Boom. So the ratio right now is 3 to 1. We gonna see how we like that. Okay, that's how that's gonna look. So then we gonna go back in. We're gonna add more pink to get that pink popping. Okay, then we gonna mix that. So the ratio right now is 6 to 1. 6 pink to 1 brown. Okay, we gonna mix. And the thing is, you want to keep swatching to see if you got that color, honey. You're gonna keep swatching. Okay, it's looking like something. Okay, I'm just showing y'all the first one through the third one. Then we're gonna add a little bit more pink. 3 more drops of pink. Mix. And then we're gonna swatch it again. We gotta see how it look. Check the product. Okay, and that's how you make nude pink with brown undertones. You just try it. Like you just it's really trial and error. So follow me on Instagram at the RoyalBaddie. Check out our website, RoyalBaddieCosmetics. Until next time, meeting adjourned. Bye.